life is gonna be.
Good morning from me and my matcha. Charos. Nabudol po ako. I love the quality. Promax 500 GB. Almost the same look. Hello. Hi. Sharing is caring. Ang ganda ng sides, matte finish. Hi guys! Good morning! I have work today. Maaga ko. Kasi meron akong event. Narinig ko nang dumating yung ating hair and makeup artist. So, let's go down. So, there you go! Ang aking HMUH. Napaganda sa akin for today's video.
I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to feel anything. But I see over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later when we smile?
Sino may magandang Christmas tree?
Ako! Merry Christmas, guys! O, diba? Yes! Alam nyo, yung mga makeup artists, winawagwag na nila yung mga hair, no? Parang ako gusto ko silang awatin. Parang feeling ko pag kanisa, di ba, kukulutin. Ganun na ganun. Parang bet ko yung ganun na ganun. Pero sila, na ganun nila. Charos.
Sabi ka naman sa amin.
Pero I came to realize, mas maganda nga yung, di ba, hindi yung parang kang Deluxe nga, tama. Yung kailangan yung medyo parang natural yung ginaganon nyo. I am so happy. Ang sapatos natin for today is Valentino. So, ito yung binili ko nung nasa Amerika ako. Bihira ko lang magamit. So, every time lang may event.
Right, already talking too much, and it usually ends in regret. But then I see
Nice. And then our perfume.
they're dancing.
And the bag nation is for
Won't you be my Valentine?
And we are definitely looking forward to all of your contents up until this night. So I hope that you all enjoy the rest of our launch. So stick around with us. Are you ready to bring out the best in your skin today?
ready!
All of us with your presence this morning, and welcome to the highly anticipated Ecran Deluxe product and endorsement launch. Before we dive into the glamour, let's take a moment to emphasize the importance of sunscreen protection in today's world. Bakit nga ba kailangan na maglagay tayo ng sunscreen with sun rays becoming more intense? And I think everybody with me can agree on this. It is really becoming hotter by the day, right? Beyond her role as the founder, she graces screens worldwide as a TV show host, social media personality, and blogger, Miss Anna Magawas.
I would like to thank everybody for spending your morning with us. Di ba sa inyo talaga ang aga gumising? 9:45 pa lang ata, andito na. But I really appreciate it. Maraming salamat. Andito kayo to witness the brand launch of our newest product, Ecran Deluxe. And of course, the media launch of the new face of Lux Skin. Sobrang excited ako dito. Nakahula na po ba kayo?
So the importance of sunblock, alam naman natin that there are different kinds of UVB, UVR, UVB and UVA rays. The difference is that UVA is more on aging of the skin. But the UVB, ito yung short wave na pwede natin makuha and pwede tayo magkaroon ng sunburn. So most importantly, since they are damaging to the skin, meron din po tayong awareness regarding this is a comprehensive sun protection enzyme. Spreads easily, providing uniform photo protection. Some of the sunscreen, pag naglagay ka dito, minsan wala dito. Since silicone elastomer siya, mabilis siyang i-apply. So, we make sure na walang area na hindi natatouch ng sunscreen. Non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, stable and safer sunscreen. Matte finish and is cosmetically elegant.
Touch out a little bit because underneath the tables or chairs, there are some stickers. Pwede nyo mong silipin ang mga ilalim ng inyong upuan. And for those of you who will find any, okay? If you find any sticker underneath your chair, let me up on the stage. I think it would be better if we all say Ecran. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ecran!
Overstay, you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else.
Newest face of Ecran Deluxe. Wala nang bibitin pa because we have the one and only Miss Marian Rivera! The ultimate epitome ng kagandahan ang nag-iisang Marian Rivera. Palakpakan naman natin! There you have it. Grabe!
Wait, naka-speechless ako eh.
There you go!
Ito na yan para tayo mag-BTS.
It up like it's 1999.
And then, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-cut ng flower. So, pwede na po tayong mamalengke ng bulaklak sa harapan.
No one thinks
Yes. Orange flowers.
I'm shy, I don't look and I'm not.
So, take note, itong mga ito, okay, idol flowers for me.
I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
Hello!
Hi!
I lost you.
Gusto kita.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, she's good. I've seen you a lot on social media.
Social media lang, no? Nakakamiss yung mga in-person. At least now we're here.
Last 3 minutes for our friends from the press.
Ibang product.
Yeah, I did.
Amazing. Lux Skin.
totoo lang.
Diba? What's your favorite?
Nagugulat ng collagen. And also the facial scrub.
Have you tried the beauty?
The gluta and the collagen facial scrub. Amazing.
Galing siya, no?
Ito rin nagugulat ako for them.
Si Marian?
I mean, it's the Extendable.
Ang ganda naman alam. Tapos namimiyo.
Yeah. And that was in 2019.
Before pandemic.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Ngayon lang nakita tayo in the flesh.
Yes.
After so long.
Right.
Let's see. Mwah.
Oras sa amin ngayong araw with Miss Marian Rivera and sa mga distributors po namin dun sa taas, ka-team ko, sa mga members ng, sa ating mga staff na nag-abala talaga for this event. Press people po tayo ng mga ganitong event.
It's a long day today. This is over 14 hours, pero pack pa din. Pwede pang kumarty. Charot. Pero ang mata, inaantok na. Of course not. Mataas pang energy ko because I am very excited to share with you the new product launch of Lux Skin Ecran Deluxe Silicone Sunscreen Gel with SPF 30 PA+++. It says here, non-greasy, no white cast, non-comedogenic, matte finish, water-resistant, broad-spectrum, ultra protection, and formulated in USA. 50 grams siya, guys. Ang SRP niya is 699 pesos. Pero currently introductory price $599. Kung ako sa inyo, bumili na kayo while it is on intro price. And the packaging is giving, guys, ayan, sa dami-dami ng mga products ni Lux Skin, may iba-ibang ganda. May iba-ibang something. Kanina na-try ko na siya and na-surprise ako because the formulation, the texture is totally different from all the sunscreen na nagamit ko na. Never skin skip your sunscreen. Take it from me guys, I've learned my lesson the hard way. When I was younger, I'm not putting sunscreen. Hindi lang halata ngayon dahil naka-makeup ako, pero on bare face, makikita nyo may mga sunspots dyan. I cannot do anything about it dahil kahit naman mag-chemical peel ako, after a while, babalik pa rin siya. It's a done deal. Ang hirap na niya talagang i-reverse. By the way, nakita nyo naman ang bagong face ng Ecran. Ang iba, si Marian Rivera guys. Grabe, sobrang ganda na starstruck ako talaga as in. Meron kaming picture. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it's Mommy Haidee this. Si Marian yung nasa gitna. Oh my God. So I'm gonna leave the link on the description box kung saan nyo siya pwedeng mabili. And also, they sent me yung kanilang mist. I haven't tried this. Another one to try. And also, yung kanilang Lux Lotion. I've tried this. Pinadala na nila ako nito before. And also, yung current ko na iniinom. Itong aking current supplements, Beauty Talks with glutathione. Another favorite ko to guys. So, everything else, Lux Skin items, I'm going to link in the description box for your easy reference. Yung aking flower arrangement kanina na hindi ko napakita sa vlog kasi nga medyo busy ang mami nyo. It's not my forte. Napasubo ako sa flower arrangement. Pero, as it is, sobrang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Fresh at may tulip pa. Tcharam! Isn't it nice? So tomorrow, ilalagay ko to sa vase. Alam niyo, nakaka-uplift ng mood kapag kami fresh flowers sa bahay. Hindi pa pala ako matutulog dahil ako ay mag-i-snack muna. Sarap. Okay, that's a wrap. Good night, guys. Bye! Good morning, guys! Naghahanap ako ng makakain. Wow! May sopas. I love sopas, by the way. Ayan, nagulo ko ang mother dear.
When you return, everyone has moved on.
Naninibago ako sa sopas. Usually, gusto ko may hotdog. Chicken yung sahog. Sarap naman. Sorry naman, meron pa ako mga makeup residue. Pansin nyo guys, mahilig ako sa mga may buto-buto. Pagka part ng manok, favorite part ko, ribs. Apple juice tayo. I have to go kasi magpapa-blower ako. Lourdes is coming. Magpipilm kami for a brand. I am stepping out. So before, syempre kailangan to put on your sunscreen. Sabi ng dermatologist kahapon, dab, 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 dab. Glides na natin ganyan dab. Uy, ang bango niya. I love the scent. Amoy baby powder. Para akong baby. Alam niyo, ang sarap niyang i-glide. Parang namo-moisturize pa yung face ko. Oh, guys, wala siyang greasy feels, tapos wala siyang white cast. Ayan yung problem area ko, guys. Sinasabi kong sunspot because when I was younger, hindi ako mahilig maglagay ng sunscreen. So, wag nyo nang gayahin si Mami Haidee, diba? Medyo pangit, pero maganda naman ang face value. So, I'm using Lux Skin Ecran Deluxe Silicone Sunscreen Gel SPF 30. Ayan guys, so let's go! Tara, tara, tara! Magme-makeup na lang po. Mukhang tao na. Parang every time lalabas ako, double the allowance para makapunta ka sa pupuntahan mo. So kung dati, 1 hour lang, ngayon 2 hours na. So, nice! Lalo-lalo na in the coming weeks. Pasko na! It's Christmas, babe! Good morning from me and my matcha. Dito na guys, para mag-mix yung milk and matcha. And the syrup. Nilalagyan ko siya ng konting sugar syrup para merong konting sweetness. Konti lang naman. Depends to your liking. Maraming health benefits guys ang matcha. Kaya naman sinishare ko yung journey ko of this drink. Yung mga matcha choices ko, I'm gonna link down below for your reference guys. So, inom tayo ng matcha. Marami siyang health benefits which I have said in the earlier vlogs yata. Today has finally come. Guess what? I've been wanting to open this package for like over 2 weeks na. Nakatambak lang siya dun sa may area namin ng mga receiving office yan. So finally, today, I'll be unboxing my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Tara, unboxing it is. Ooh! Oh, another layer of unboxing. Sobra naman na napaka-secure. I got this pre-ordered from Globe at sila ay nagte-thank you. Welcome. Requested for natural titanium color. Almost the same look sa mga previous packaging. Ayan. Gosh. Oh! Whoa! So, what's in the box? Of course, the unit. Type-C to Type-C cable. Pero, wala pa rin charger. This, pangtusok. And the usual Apple sticker. Ayan. At mga papel. That's all. First impression, it's lighter than my iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The reason being, ito kasi, ang material niya guys, titanium. So, mas magaan. It's almost the same size as my previous iPhone. But in terms of weight, sobra niyang gaan. From what I've heard, mga 90 grams lighter itong iPhone 15 Pro Max than the old ones, no? I've heard also na maganda yung camera, so it means better videos, better pictures, at saka maganda daw to sa low light. Plus, ang ganda ng sides, matte finish, so hindi nababakat yung mga kamay nyo kapag, di ba, hawak tayo ng hawak ng ganyan. Meron na siyang action button. Itong sides dito, na dati parang pang silent lang, pwede mo na siyang gawing parang on-off ng camera, on-off ng iyong flashlight, on and off din para kung gusto mong i-silent and others, ganyan. Gusto ko yung touch niya as compared to here. Ito guys yung sinasabi ko. Ayan o, diba? Stainless. Well, this is old naman, pero kasi matte siya yun. So, medyo classy ang dating. I have my two old iPhones here. Both is 256 GB and now, nag-upgrade na ako to 512 GB. Nagsa-second thought ako should I take the 1 terabyte? Kasi ang difference niya is about 15,000 pesos. Pero parang feeling ko lang parang masyado namang aggressive, no? Let's go from 256 to 512. So, pag nag-issue uli si iPhone, let's see if we go 1 terabyte. Excited to use this. I have an upcoming trip na gagamitin ko to ng bonggang-bongga. Talking about price naman. I got this from Globe for 69,500 yung unit lang, but it retails at around 105,000. So the good thing is, it comes with the subscription kaya medyo mababa yung price. 69,500, which either you can pay outright or pwede nyo i-amortize over 24 months. Since wala namang special discount if I pay outright versus mag-amortize ako, so in-amortize ko na lang. So more or less, monthly amortization ko with the subscription, 1,799 plus around 2,700 something. More or less, nasa 4,700 over 24 months. So kapag i-multiply ko yun, 4,700 something times 24 months, more or less 112,000 pesos as compared to buying 105,000. I mean like, I have a subscription. So, parang nakasave na rin ako ng monthly subscription. Etong dalawang iPhone ko, hindi to naka-subscribe sa Globe. Binili namin to. Actually, gift to ni Hazel sa akin pareho. Sabi ko nga kay Hazel, huwag ka nang bumili. Kuha ka na lang sa Globe. Di ba parang just have to really be frugal in spending, kung saan tayo makakatipid. This video is not at all sponsored by Globe. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo how I got my iPhone 15 na for me, mas magaan sa bulsa. So, that is it. Sharing is caring. Charot! Since nag-unbox tayo ng iPhone, so naisip ko na i-unbox na tong mga ibang items which I got during 11/11. So ito yung mga nabudol po ako. First things first, etong item na to, actually tatlo to. Lalo ko yung isa dun sa isang project ko. Budol by Tony Sia at guys, napakamura lang. Hindi ako mahilig mag-bathrobe, pero nung nakita ko sa kanya, ay, wow! Binili ng mami nyo. It did not disappoint. I love the quality. Less than 200 pesos. 160 pesos lang yata ito. Free shipping pa. Wow! Love! Other one is pink. Yung isa ay, eto na siya, ang kulay rust. A lot of unboxing, Mars. Oh, okay. Budol by Camilco. Matagal na ako naghahanap ng ito, pero bigla akong naalala nung nakita kong nag-post siya. Garment storage. Kuwari, may mga damit kayo na hindi laging ginagamit, suit, gown, and all. So, pwede nyo siyang i-store dito. At least, it's secured, di ba? In different sizes to guys. Ayan. Zip nyo. Tapos, ito yung dadaanan ng hanger. Tinry ko lang muna, pero ang dami niyang sizes. So, I got parang small, medium, large. Next item. This is a tripod. Budol by Chris Uy naman. Meron pa ko ng magandang tripod for phone. Definitely, magagamit ko siya with my new iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 GB. Charot! Oh, diba? Very sturdy, guys. Ang ganda! I love it! Grabe! Futuristic, no? And this is my very first na tripod na kulay puti. Pwedeng pang iPhone, pwedeng pang camera, and the likes. Okay, I still have to figure it out, pero this is a very good purchase for like less than 1,000 pesos. Parang nasa ano lang to 800. Next one. Ooh! Okay, I know this. This one is from Absidy, a new release. I think sister company ng Lux Organics. Ito yung ini-endorse ni Heart Evangelista. And ang favorite niya is yung pink skies na kulay. Ah, di ba? Ang lakas makasosyal, guys. Di ba? Ang ganda. Neutral. Meron pang emboss ng brand. I love the packaging. Oh! Ang bilis niyang i-apply and then hindi siya masyadong matte. And also, I got their eyebrow pencil. Ito yung kanilang spoolie. And then, meron pa siyang extra. Nice! Next! Nagpapabili yung nanay ko para sa kanyang iPad. Ganda ng style ngayon, ano? Old lightning cable in less than 100 pesos. This one is the longer one. 2 meters yata ito. Good for mamang at saka spare. Next! This one is also a Budol from Tony Sia. And this is water eyebrow pencil. B! Ang ganda ng tip. Mabilis i-apply. And this is in the color of dark brown. Mura lang din to, guys. Walang mahal dito sa mga pinagbibili ko. Next naman, oh, this one is a color stick. Lumalabas na yung mga white hair nyo dyan. Yan ang panglagay. Ganyan nyo yan. Oh, gaganyan nyo siya dyan. Dyan, mawawala ang kulay na puti. Hindi kayo magmumukhang oldie, but goodie. So, this is in the color of dark brown. Next! Ano to? Last one. Yung mga merong coffee shop, merong mga milk tea shop dyan. Alam nyo to, ito yung sa mga syrups and sauces nyo, di ba may pump. Yung pinapump nyo ganon. Ito yung pangsara para hindi sila madumihan. This one naman is Budol by Mommy Chris. So, yung mga face powder nyo, loose powder nyo, dito nyo siya ilagay. Seal. Ayan, ang brush. Go. Di ba? Okay, this one naman, bumali ako ng bili because this is too big. This is for a matcha bowl. Kapag ka nagtitimpla ako ng matcha, gusto ko ilagay sa, well, authentic bowl. Very important, guys, kung gusto nyo ma-experience yung talagang traditional matcha, gamit kayo ng mga proper tool like this kind of ceramic bowl, whisk, yung mga panandok nilang ginamit ko kanina. Iba ang lasa ng matcha nyo. Share ko na din. Okay, this is my long-standing favorite house cleaner. Yung lagi kong ginagamit dito sa bahay na panlinis. Sharan! Sips. Gusto ko yung lavender scent niya. Ginagamit namin ito sa mga flooring. Oh, may sabon. Mga panghugas ng pinggan, panglinis ng bahay, sabong panlaba, and the likes. Binibili ko na lang siya online. Kasi, especially kapag may mga sale, marami kayong mali-discount. Mas nakakamura. Kaya doon. Plus, hindi ko na rin siya binibit-bet kapag nag-grocery ako. Last but not the least. Hindi ko alam bakit dito sa bahay namin, yung aming mga rice cooker, tumatagal lang ng 1 year. Branded, non-branded, mura, mahal, still the same. Every year, nagpapalit kami ng rice cooker. Nag-iisang buwan na kaming walang rice cooker at nagsasayang lang kami sa kalan. And syempre, medyo mahirap dahil babantayan mo. Minsan nakakalimutan. So, nasusunog po ang rice. So, at this time, I got Gaabor rice cooker. Maliit lang kasi napansin ko na hindi na rin kami malakas kumain ng kanin. Napaka-stylish na ng mga rice cooker ngayon. Ano? Push the button. Ayan. Yung plug, the steamer, sandok ng rice, the caldera that comes with it. So, I'm gonna link all of this in the description box below, guys. Dito, hanapin. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again on the next vlog. Bye! Bye!
Can't you see I just read